Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to take this opportunity to welcome our esteemed civil servants to this important and historic event. We acknowledge you for being the implementers and drivers of all government programs. I have no doubt that this massive turnout we are witnessing here is replicated at all our district and provincial commemoration centers across the country. Guests of honor, sir, Manicaland Province is deeply honored to host this year's edition of Africa Public Service Day National Commemorations. And we wish to express our sincere appreciation to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, for the opportunity bestowed upon us to host this event as we celebrate the values and contributions of our great civil servants who are the country's champion of socio-economic development in the country. As the people of Manicaland, we are very grateful, and this event is a testimony of the confidence which the government places upon us. We hope to set a good example and to inspire other provinces who will host events of this magnitude in future. Honorable Minister, let me acknowledge and once again thank the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, His Excellency Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, for the immense support to the civil servants in Manicaland, which has enabled the following achievements that have empowered the civil servants, among others.
It is my singular honor and privilege to officiate such an occasion where we see the public sector doing what it is doing, and as we commemorate the 2024 edition of Africa Public Service Day National Commemorations kuno pam kuManicaland. Manicaland gore rayo gore rino ndere Manicaland takamboramba chimboti nokist vanhu vakafunga takatarisa Manicaland hayi watakataita sakure perisa asi taizodzosa maziso tikadzika vatatarisa iko kuno nokuti ndoku east kwedu. President vakadeclare kuti gore rino tinoenda kuManicaland. Gore rakapera vachilonja kampeni yavo yokuti vapiwe new mandate, vakatanga futi kuno kuManicaland. Saka look east policy yedu yakanaka, ndio yataringa kuno, tinongorunga kuti gore rakanaka gore rino. It is gratifying that over the years Zimbabwe has religiously been celebrating the Africa Day, Public Service Day commemorations, both at national and at continental level. Matonzi wana permanent secretary kuti 2021-2023 Zimbabwe hosted the Africa Union Public Service Day on behalf of the whole continent. We have done it twice, but this year we are not celebrating the continental one, we are celebrating the Zimbabwe one. That's why in every province, in every district, we hope that the celebrations took place. And I'm happy that Comrade Maronge said people have come from all the 7 districts of Manicaland for us to come and celebrate. Zimbabwe's participation in these commemorations is an affirmation of the confidence and the value that the Second Republic, led by our President, places in its public servants.